Hello guys, in this video I am just going to explain if you're getting this error right while transferring the data because your console is not updated. For example, this is my new console. I am trying to transfer all the data from my existing console, but while trying to transfer the data I am getting this error CE-112035-2 because I need to update the software here. So connect this console to your Wi-Fi or LAN connections and then update the software. Go to system and system software. So update is available. Update using internet. Yes, update it. So software has been updated successfully on this existing console. Now it's ready to transfer. So I'm going to transfer that again. I'm going to try again. So system, LAN cable also is connected, data transfer, continue. So again I'm going to continue. So this time I should not be getting any error. Okay, the error will be gone. So once you updated your existing PS5 console, then the error will be gone. Now you will be able to transfer your console. So I have another video that how to transfer the data. You just watch the video. So that's it friends, this is the way you can fix the issue. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you, bye and take care.